Hi, I'm Sarah Peternell. Thank you so much for finding my channel. Hopefully you've had a chance to see some of my other tried and true videos. My most watched video is why you should give up gluten if you have Hashimoto's. But now I'm excited to be bringing to you this brand new video series, and it's called 5-Minute Health Hacks for Hashimoto's. So I'm just going to be sharing little tidbits that you can watch these videos quickly, incorporate something that is generally free, pretty easy to start trying out right away, and can make some pretty profound impact on your health. So today I'm actually starting out with a very heart-friendly anti-inflammatory fat, a healthy oil that we know and love. Extra virgin monounsaturated rich olive oil, okay? So I'm talking about bringing this oil more into your daily routine. There's so many things you can do with it. If you have Hashimoto's, you definitely need to be consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil with your food every single day. Now, if you have gallbladder issues or you have some other issues with digesting fats, consult with a holistic nutrition practitioner like me for some individualized help and consultation. However, for most of us, we can do this 1 to 2 tablespoons of a pure high quality. Typically, best is single origin, cold pressed, and stored in a dark glass container. And organic, of course, because you want to avoid pesticides and you want to have the healthiest soils and the healthiest fruits or olives to provide this oil. Why is this a health hack? Well, what you want is to get more oleic acid, omega 9, into your diet. Omega 9 is like the structure for the cell membrane of each of your trillions of cells. It helps to regulate what goes inside of your cell and also what is released from your cell, like toxins. So, getting more nutritional absorption into the cellular layer of all of your cells requires having this integrity of the phospholipid bilayer, phospholipid meaning fat layer, of your cells. Now, oleic acid or omega 9, which is found in olive oil, is a very delicate omega fat. Okay, so we're all pretty familiar with like omega 3s. You've probably heard of omega 6s, which can sometimes be inflammatory. Omega 9s is very, very delicate, and in fact, it should be treated with the utmost of care. You don't want to cook with olive oil, especially organic, extra virgin olive oil, the expensive kind, really at all, but especially at high temperatures. You could, do like a little light saute, maybe on some vegetables for a couple of minutes. But what happens at high temperatures above like 300 to 350 degrees is that these fats in olive oil start to turn into trans fats. I know. Isn't that terrible news? I mean, we do our very best to avoid trans fats. We're skipping the French fries at the restaurant. We're reading labels. We're paying attention. And then we bring home this good quality extra virgin olive oil and we cook with it at too high of a temperature. Oh, darn it. Now we're creating trans fats in our very own home. Trans fats create oxidative damage and oxidative stress within our bodies and within our cells, causing more, need for antioxidants. And in fact, draining the antioxidant reserves that we already have in our body. So trans fats need to be avoided at all costs. So that's why I suggest using extra virgin olive oil as maybe a salad dressing, adding it to your smoothies, definitely drizzling it on vegetables that have already been cooked with a higher temperature cooking oil like coconut oil or grass-fed butter, like Kerrygold brand is a good one, or even with ghee or lard or good old bacon grease. That's what my grandma did, and if it was good enough for her, it's good enough for me. You can cook those saturated fats at a much higher temperature. So if you're roasting or broiling or grilling, you can use the fats I just mentioned at high temperatures, and they won't turn into trans fats. They're much more stable. But extra virgin olive oil, think about it. It comes out of the bottle. It's grassy, it's green, it's fruity, it's flavorful. Cooking at high temperatures just damages not only the flavor, but all of the health benefits. So extra virgin olive oil is a health hack if you have Hashimoto's because it has been shown in research to help lower inflammation. It has also been shown to have cardiovascular protective benefits. It even has some antiviral properties. Seriously, good to know in this world we're living in today. It may help to regulate blood sugar. It can help strengthen bones. And it can also contribute to the healthy fats that help to support and regulate your healthy hormones elsewhere throughout your body. So if you have Hashimoto's and you're working on supporting a healthy digestive system, a healthy immune system, and a healthy thyroid, in addition to your overall health and well-being, adding extra virgin, organic, cold pressed, single origin, really expensive, really good olive oil is a health hack that you can do. Throw away your olive oil in those clear plastic bottles that you don't know where it came from, that's been in your pantry for too long, and start fresh. Just doing 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, drizzled over your salad greens, added to broiled chicken after it comes out of the oven, putting it on your baked potato, maybe even squeezing it into your smoothie, can be a huge health upgrade in terms of its anti-inflammatory properties, and you will start to notice that maybe even your hair, skin, and nails start to glow from this amazing omega-9 oleic acid that is only found in olive oil. So thank you so much for watching today's 5-minute Hashimoto's health hack, and I'll be back with more. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!